Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing what happened. Is the chocolate grainy, cloudy, or thick like paste? Once done, break it into uniform pieces and weigh or estimate volume so heating is even. Place a heat-proof bowl over a barely simmering pot for a double boiler, or choose a microwave in 10-15 second bursts. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of neutral oil or cocoa butter to restore fluidity. This thins and smooths without changing flavor. Move quickly to controlled, gentle heat to avoid further damage. You now focus on controlled melting. On the double boiler, keep water barely simmering, no steam hitting the bowl. If microwaving, use 10-15 second bursts and stir between sessions. Stir constantly, scraping the bowl and working the cooler bits into the warm center so crystals reform smoothly. If viscosity remains high, add small increments of neutral oil or melted cocoa butter, half teaspoon at a time, because extra fat lowers melting point and restores flow. Make sure you stop just before fully liquid. Residual warmth finishes the job. You finish by bringing chocolate to the right working temperature for your type, cooling it gradually while stirring to encourage smooth crystals and glossy sheen. Once it looks fluid and shiny, test a ribbon on chilled parchment to confirm flow and set. If graininess persists, melt gently again with a bit more cocoa butter and pass through a fine mesh. This breaks lumps and redistributes fat. If it seizes a second time, convert it to a sauce or ganache rather than force tempering. Then start fresh next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.